My girlfriend and her best friend are so gullible. So today I'm gonna prank them and make them think that the world's ending. It's 2:09 right now, which means everyone's phone's about to go off in 11 minutes. So I went into the room and told them this.
Yeah?
Guys, the world's ending in 10 minutes.
What?
10 minutes. Watch.
What are you saying?
He's crazy. He's definitely just trying to prank us.
I know, the world's not ending.
They're so gullible, I bet you they're gonna believe this. McKinley's literally calling me right now. Hello?
Hey, Jack, wait, what were you talking about? Is it actually ending the world?
In 5 minutes, yeah.
Wait, are you serious? Like, what do you mean?
Come down here, I'll show you.
Wait, what?
It's happening.
No way. What?
It's happening.
The world's ending?
I told you.
No, wait, what?
Guys, wait, where are you going?
What's happening?
Look, gullible's written in the sky too.
Where?
Dumb. Subscribe.